lot calmer for having done it. Right, heel. Good, 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 good. Back. That's how I get him to adjust the rear. Back. Keep his head in close. Heel. Good, 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 good. Back. Back. Good. Back. Look. Good, good. Heel. Good, 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 good. That's a boy. That's a boy. Automatic sit. Watch. Good. Good. I'm getting away from luring the food. Good. Good. When I say yes, he gets a cookie within a second. Good. Heel. Good. Good. Heel. Back. Watch him adjust the rear. Sit. That's a sit in motion. If you practice enough of those, if he doesn't come when he's called, tell him to sit, keep a 1 to 4 foot leash on him, and just walk over and pick him up. Watch. Good. Good. Yes. Good. Heel. Right. Back. You got to keep him in close. Sit. I want to keep his head next to me now. It's a little straighter. Sit. Watch. Walk. Take it. See how he sat back, relaxed? That's a voice. That's what I was looking for. Good, good, good. Heel. Good, good. Back. Get him to adjust all the time. Heel. Right. Heel. Come on. Good, good. Come on, buddy. Good, good. Stay. Stay means Alan's leaving. I might keep one hand close enough right here to keep him sitting. Good, 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 good. Oh, good. Oh, it's a pretty boy. So watch. Good, 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 good. Yes. And then here. Good. Here. Good. Good. Back. Good. Good. Here. Back. Good, good, yes. Good, good, yes. Sit. Down. The down is nice and easy and calm. He rolls to his hip in the back. I could do body off. Take it. Good, good. Body, heel. Heel. Good, good, heel. Sit. Good, good. This is a recall game. Stay. You can practice this across the room with 2 people. Rowdy here. I want to teach him to come and sit as close to me as possible. Good, good, good. Now here's the left finish. Right. Here. Swing him around. Nice. Good, good. Yes. Rowdy here. And here's the same exercise. Here. Good, good. Sit. That's called call to front. I do it while I'm walking, while I'm healing. If you see something, we just back up and walk away from it. Now here's the right finish. Comes from that fancy about turn I did before. Right. Heel. Sit. Good, good, good. Heel. Sit. And then sometimes when he's not paying attention, we do adjusting. Back. These are 180-degree pivots. Sit. Good, good, good. Heel. Sit. Good, good. Back. Good, good, good. Sit.